everybody, this is Mia with Chalk with Mia. I am here today to do a really quick and simple project with you guys. It is for a laundry room. I am so excited to show this to you guys. I think it's something that you're gonna love and something that you feel like you can do very quick and simply for your own home. Right now I have this displayed up because we do have a new program at Chalk Couture. That is our Club Couture program. That is the image on the right. The Oh Snap, that is our February Club Couture, but it is a subscription program, so you can get a box of happiness and creativity every single month for the low price of $19.99. And it includes free shipping, 3 sample coordinating pastes, and then the transfer, and then how-to instructions. So that is fantastic. And then the image on the left is our new starter kit that just came out in February with a lot of goodies. For $99, you get over $240 worth of product. Hey, Cindy. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. In case you hadn't seen it, I just think that it's a fantastic either way. You can be a designer or customer and get your creativity on. So exciting for that. So now we are here, we're gonna do this fun project. I have got this simple sign painted in like a sand or beige color. And I have got our new laundry company sign. Now, I am gonna have to move this around just a little bit because it's too big to do it all in one go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm placing this so that the laundry company is on here. And then what I'll do is once I do this, I'm gonna move the hanger down just a little bit and hopefully I'll be able to fit it on there. But if not, we'll just leave it as laundry company and I'll move this up and maybe we can put some of the bottom ones on there. But the cutest part is just that it says laundry company. I love that. So I believe I've got this straight. Oh, you know what? I didn't wax. Ah! I've got it sitting here right beside me. So we're gonna wax really quick. Oh, thank you, Cindy. Hi, Terry. How are you? And Dylan is not gonna be moderating today. I am actually up in the mountains for a quick getaway, and he is at ski lessons today. So I thought I've gotta pick him up within the hour. So I just wanted to do something very quick. I brought 2 projects up here with me. Normally I haul everything, but it's getting to be quite a bit. So I picked 2 quick, awesome projects to do, and I'll do one today and probably one tomorrow. As always, I am using my favorite Dixie Belle Best Dang Wax to wax my board. And now let's do this again. Okay, so this is our screen mesh transfer. And it's exactly as it sounds. It's got a screen mesh in it, which makes transferring our paste quick and easy and flawlessly onto our surface, as long as we have no air bubbles. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to squeeze out any air bubbles that we have. Because when there's an air bubble, it forms a little pocket of air, and that's where the paste can then bleed a little bit, and you get a little bit more mistakes. So we want to make sure that we can pull out as many of those air bubbles as we can, okay? And I'm just gonna use simple black. I just thought that would be, you know, sometimes simple and quick is just as nice as complex and colorful. So I'm just feeling to make sure I got everything. So here is our paste, and remember our paste is water soluble and chalk based, so it loves air. Air will dry it out, so that's why we want to cover it up as much as we can. And I'm stirring it. You want it to be the consistency of cake icing or marshmallow fluff, yogurt, any of those 3. And this one's a pretty good consistency. I like the way that feels. So now we get to chalk. Okay, so I've got a squeegee here. And again, I'm not gonna care about how much chalk I put on my squeegee because we are gonna rub all of the excess off and put it right back in the container. How's everybody's weekend going? You guys got any fun plans? It was like ice not snow, but ice this morning up here in the mountains of Virginia. So it was cold and windy and icy this morning when we dropped off Dylan at ski school. Hopefully he's having a good time. All right, I'm just pulling off that excess and I'm gonna just use it over here. Again, the project doesn't care where you get the chalk from, as long as you're just covering it up, and I'm putting it on there like I'm buttering bread. The thing with our chalk is you do want to be somewhat quick because it does dry quickly because it's got that chalk in it. So if you think that your project is too big to do all in one go without it drying, you can do it in sections. You can pull it up as you go, pull up the transfer as you go. You can lay a damp paper towel over top of it. There's a lot of different tricks that you can do to help with it. Okay guys, we're gonna pull this up and hopefully I did it correctly. Oh my God, oh, is that supposed to, oh, no. See, it did dry on me in a couple areas. I wonder if my paste is a little not wet enough. Let's see, we're gonna lay this back down for a second. There was a couple areas. Now, sometimes our transfers do come with like little splotches and holes in the transfer to make them look kind of shabby chic and farmhouse style, but this one I don't think does. Oh, it did do it though. Oh, maybe it does. I'm wondering. It might actually, because it's going all the way across like that. Oh, it does. Okay, I didn't realize. Now this part up here is a little dry. Okay, I thought that was me. I did not notice. Okay, let's see if that helps that little area there. Okay, kind of make it look rustic. Look at that. What do you guys think? Laundry company. Now let me see if I can fit, I didn't bring my blow dryer in here with me, but I'm gonna see if I can fit that hanger on the top without messing anything up. What, are you talking to me? Oh, I have one in the master as well, but I think I'm just not gonna, oh, I can. All right, I don't know if you guys can see these little splotches right here. That's what is causing that speckled look, and that's okay. I just didn't notice it before. I was sitting here thinking, oh my gosh, the paste felt great. Oh, I do have an air bubble there. Tag on it. But, you know, sometimes it's those little details. Hopefully. Yay, look at that. Okay, and I can clean that up. That's not a problem. So now, let me see. Actually, I'm gonna, oh, no. Oh, my finger just went in it. Okay, I can fix that in a second. I'm wondering if I can get this little sign at the bottom here. I think I can. I'm just laying this down gently. Oh, wait, you know what? Nope, I don't want to do that because it's going to pull that up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it. And you guys will see this in a second, okay? You're not going to be able to see me doing it, but I'm going to hold it. This way I don't mess up anymore. Just holding that down. Now I could have done this in brown, I could have done it in custard, you know, a whole bunch of different colors. But I just sometimes, like I said, I like the just plain old black sometimes, or just plain old white. It just, I think, adds a little bit, especially now that I know that it has, it's kind of a happy little accident, now that I know that it has those divots in it to make it look old and rustic, that black kind of market look, farmhouse market look, I think would look good. This would look cute in a farmhouse. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at that. Probably could have gone down a hair, but not too much because this S and stuff would have been too close. Okay, let me go put this in the sink so that it doesn't dry on my transfer, and I'll clean up some of those areas so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. Just 1 second and I'll be back. What are you guys thinking of the project? Yay, nay? Okay. We're just going to let this sit with some water on it. Because I'm not at home, I don't have my big tin of water sitting next to me to throw it in. And I got some chalk on the table here. But again, it's just chalk. It's okay. All right, so, whoops, sorry guys. All right, so here we go. What we're going to do is I have got a disinfectant wipe, and I could use just a little wet paper towel, but I didn't bring my water bottles with me either. I don't think. So if they are, they're down in that bag somewhere, and I've got the wipes right here. So all you want to do is you want to take this disinfectant wipe, and you're just going to rub it over the areas that you have your little mistakes, your little uh-ohs. And it comes right up. Do you guys see that? See how that came right up? Okay, this bled just a little bit on me. That's where I had an air bubble. Okay, and I think, gosh guys, easy peasy. I knew this was gonna be a quick project, but for the love of goodness, that was a quick project. Now, I can also take a Q-tip and fix some of these that bled a little bit on me, which I might do. But basically, I can just take this and seal it, and I'm good to go. I'm gonna hold it up a little bit closer, and I love that it has a chain on it. So cute. So look at this. Laundry company. With a little, and this is where I accidentally put the transfer down and it peeled some of it up. But since it's kind of that rustic look, I don't mind it actually. And this is where my finger hit the top of the L. Again, if it was a solid piece, then I would fix it. But I kind of don't mind it that way. Always open. So what I'm gonna do is when it dries, I'm gonna fix that little part that's sticking out of the P there and a little bit of the S. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that? Just a little bit. It's not much, but I will clean those up just a tad. I'll do that with the end of my stir stick because it's got a pointy edge, and I can fix that up easy peasy. Oops. So, gosh guys, 15 minutes and I just created a laundry sign. This would be a wonderful housewarming gift, something for your own house, a whatever, you know, pretty much a housewarming gift, I think. But anyways, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, I always don't know where to look. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me. I would love to talk to you about Chalk Couture. If this is your first time watching, or if you've been thinking about joining Chalk Couture, you can at least join my VIP group. I have tips and tricks and deals and little giveaways and stuff. All you have to do is type the letters VIP in the comments, and you'll get a little message sent to you with the VIP information. If you are interested in joining Chalk Couture, just type the word join and I will send you a message and we can have a conversation about it. I am looking for more people to join my team. Chalk Couture's got some really awesome things going on. So if you've ever thought about doing a little side hustle or even a full-time hustle, some people are doing this in their retirement, doing it as their full-time job, stay-at-home moms. It really fits kind of every little scenario. So anyways, I appreciate you guys joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll probably see you again tomorrow. All right, bye.